to I'm about to blow dry my hair. I've not used this thing before. I used it on my sister, but I don't know how it feels on myself. My mom used it for a week, and it's wig hair right now that's here. The one that in my hair. Anyways, guys, how does my hair look? I love the puffiness. If it wasn't for this, I would have stayed this way because I really love the puffiness that my hair has. You know, I have to try this out because I just got it and it's already having hair. My mom. Currently 11 p.m. I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I only finished doing my schoolwork right now, so I figured let me just do this because tomorrow morning I don't want to use this and I'm struggling, and then I don't know how to use it. So I'd rather use it now and learn how to use it now. Just removing my papers. We have to do this fast so I sleep. I don't know if I'm not using it properly, but I was expecting it to straighten my hair way more than this. It works, but the problem is I'm too scared to do it properly because it's nighttime and people are sleeping, so it's making a lot of noise. So I'm just gonna come back tomorrow from school tomorrow. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna try it again when no one is home. So I just came back from school and it's currently 12. So I wanted to come show you guys how my hair looks now after school. Like, I'm gonna try and do it again because I feel like I don't know how to do it, and I feel like I should take more time on it, you know. But I'm loving the look so far. Like, should I really? You know, I wanna try because I wanna see how this thing works, just so at least I know how to use it. But this is my hair. Do you guys love it? What are your What are your thoughts on it? But anyways, I'm loving the bushy look. It's so, you know. So I'm gonna do the other one and see how it looks just for Thursday and Friday. Oh my gosh, guys, I did it! I did it! Look at that! It's not straight, but it's blown. It's blown out. I can still do better, but this is so nice because I don't have to, you know, rely on curls. So it's way better to do it when your hair is wet, not wet but damp. So I put my special water, of course, and also coconut oil on my hair, and then that happened. Let me just do it more because I feel like I can be better. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so scared to ruin it. So I'm done, and this is the finished look. I'm so happy. Like it actually blew out my hair. Oh my gosh. But I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna revert back for some reason. I don't know. I just feel like it's gonna revert back. But wow, my hair has actually grown. There's a picture where I was having a blowout like this, and it did not look like this. So I decided to twist my hair today because I don't have time to braid my hair. It usually takes me a day and some hours of the next day. And it's not like I can just sit down the whole day and just braid my hair because I have things to do, like house chores and stuff. And school has been schooling. So I have a test on Monday and I cannot afford to eat up my time because I have, I think, 9 topics to study or 9 lecture slides to study. So I decided I'll just twist my hair because that's faster than braiding. So our favorite shirt is here. Wait, I'm trying to remember whether I first measured then cut it, or did I cut then measure? I measured and then I cut, didn't I? And I remember I did not cut this side because it looked healthy. But now it's not fair because the other side is shorter. Still the same. I don't know. You see the difference? I'm not trimming my hair to be the same. Like hair grows at different rates. So it's okay. At least we are seeing growth. And next time I will make sure to cut, then measure. Not measure and cut. Because now it's giving me inaccurate readings. I would have measured it somewhere else. I'm guessing this is where they all started. And then it grew here. I'm almost at nipple length. Nipple length is all the way here. And that's my goal. Oh my gosh, guys, my hair was not this long when I was braiding my hair in the video I posted when I was braiding my hair. I don't think I showed you guys, but my hair was not this long. I was measuring it while I was braiding, and it was somewhere here up on my upper collar, like here, on my collarbone. My English, on my collarbone, and now it's like all the way, and my collarbone is here. Look, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I wish I could braid my hair in mini braids right now because, wow, bruh, my hair is long. Mm. Now it's the same length. Oh, my line. It's the same length. It's the same length. Yeah, I finally got it to be the same length. I've been struggling to make this hair here being the same length. Like, wow.
Today's verse comes from the book of Isaiah, chapter 40, verse 31, which says, "But for those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Just like caring for our hair takes time and patience, so does life. This verse reminds us that with God, we find strength to show up, glow up, and keep going, even on our busiest days.